Bitget investment platform review. Watch before using. Most people get crypto trading wrong. They assume all platforms are the same. But Bitget offers a mix of spot and derivative trading with strong security and user-friendly tools. The surprising truth is how beginner-friendly yet advanced it is, and you won't believe how quickly you can start trading or investing. Here's how it works. Bitget supports cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide range of altcoins. Users can trade spot markets, use futures contracts, and access copy trading to replicate strategies of experienced traders. The interface shows real-time charts, indicators, and portfolio tracking. For example, a beginner can set up a copy trade of a professional trader, gaining exposure to advanced strategies while learning. Most people get this wrong. They assume derivatives are too complex, but Bitget simplifies the process with intuitive dashboards and tutorials. Security is robust, with two-factor authentication, cold wallet storage, and regular audits. Customer support is available via live chat and email. However, there are considerations. Trading crypto involves risk, and losses are possible. Users should understand the platform's fee structure and risk management tools. Most people assume copy trading guarantees profits. It doesn't. Careful monitoring is still essential. In conclusion, Bitget is ideal for beginner and intermediate crypto investors seeking a secure, versatile, and educational platform. Its combination of trading options, copy trading, and security features makes it a solid choice for entering the crypto market. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of investment and crypto platforms.